The insertion of this couldn't be simpler. Drops in place and that's it. When we are putting this control base on and off of the tripod movement, we have a lever on one side and a button on the other. The button actually moves in and out a little bit, and the lever is designed that you don't have to move it too much. The lever itself can, like every single lever in this design, if you need more room, you pull the lever out and turn it freely. That is, it doesn't move anything behind it. When you get it to where you want it, you let it go and then turn it. Give it a half turn and it loosens up the base enough to move. So the base, as we turn that lever, tightens down and doesn't move. So loosen the lever, push and hold the button on the other side, and remove this. Doesn't matter which direction this is facing. Push the button in if you need to. Wiggle it if you need to. If this is not going on smoothly, it's because where this lever is right here, the little button is sticking out. So just undo it a little bit more. And then it goes in place. Then you need to pull the lever out, give it a half turn, and you might have to do that a few times. And you're also looking to see if the nut behind it is also turning. You don't want that to happen because you're just doing the same movement over and over again. And what I like to do is take one hand from behind and push in and stabilize the nut while I'm doing that back and forth alternately. If that's a pain in the butt, I'll take this piece off, I'll give that a full turn, and when I ship this to you, this should be good. Meaning you should be able to just slide it on and give it a half turn and it's locked in place. 'Cause I don't like to do much work around these things either. Okay, so let's take this off. Perhaps the easiest way to insert the light bar into the holder is when it's in its down position. You can go ahead and pick it up and put it in place. Now, if I was to hold these arms a different way, they might flop around. We're going to have some cable ties on here which are going to hold these in place. Don't remove the cable ties until this is seated, and then go ahead and undo it. It doesn't mean you can't take this on and off, but if you do take this on and off, the light bar, know that you're going to need to hold on to the back portion of this light bar. Alternately, lift the light bar all the way up to move it. So the choice is yours.